Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data, so back up important files now. Once backed up, disconnect all non-essential peripherals to reduce variables. If Windows is stuck, force shutdown 3 times to trigger WinRe. Make sure you have access to a USB installer if WinRe fails. In the recovery menu, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Once done, try Startup Repair to automatically fix boot issues. If that doesn't work, choose Command Prompt for the next manual steps. Now you'll work through targeted repairs from the command prompt. First run chkdsk/f/r to fix file system and bad sectors. This can take time, so be patient. Next run an offline system file checker, sfc/scano/offbootdir equals C, //offwindir equals C, /Windows to repair corrupted system files. If corruption persists, run dism specifying the offline image and a healthy source. You finish by initiating reset this PC from troubleshoot and pick keep my files or remove everything depending on your backup. Let the process run uninterrupted. It may reboot several times. Once complete, install Windows updates and drivers, then create a local admin and sign in to confirm everything works. If the reset still hangs, your key troubleshooting move is to back up data externally and perform a clean install from USB media. This resolves persistent corruption that repair tools cannot fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.